Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add stops in Waze. If you want to visit one or more locations before reaching your final destination, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Waze app on your phone and enter your final destination. Once Waze calculates your route, tap Go to start navigation or stay on the route previous screen. Next, tap the search icon and look for the place you want to stop at along the way. You can search for a gas station, restaurant, coffee shop, or any address you want to visit. When you find the location, tap it and select Add Stop. Waze will automatically insert that stop into your current route without removing your final destination. If you want to add another stop, repeat the same process. Tap the search icon again, find another location, and choose Add Stop. Waze will update your route to include each stop before you arrive at your final destination. Before you begin driving, review your route to make sure all of your stops are listed correctly. If needed, you can adjust your trip before starting navigation. And that's it. That's how you can add stops in Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.